Welcome to the southeast region of Puglia, Italy. After a brief flight from Krakow, Poland, we arrive in Bari, Italy. As we leave Bari behind and make our way towards Matera, the landscape transforms into a patchwork of agricultural beauty. The Puglian countryside is dotted with endless olive orchards, producing some of the finest olive oil in the world. Along the way, we pass fields bursting with ripe watermelons and vineyards heavy with grapes, a testament to the region's rich agricultural tradition. This fertile land has nurtured these crops for centuries, contributing to the vibrant flavors that define Puglian cuisine. With the taste and sense of the countryside still lingering, we press on towards Matera, where ancient history awaits. Matera is well known for its ancient cave dwellings, or sassi. Matera's sassi are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where homes and churches are carved into the limestone, offering a glimpse into a past that stretches back thousands of years. It's no wonder Matera was named a European capital of culture. Leaving Matera behind, we continue our journey to the coastal city of Taranto. Known as the City of Two Seas, Taranto boasts a rich maritime history. Taranto is a blend of ancient and modern, where the grandeur of the Aragonese castle overlooks the calm waters of the Ionian Sea. Here, the past and present live in harmony, reflecting Puglia's diverse heritage. Our next destination is Alberobello, a town famous for its fairy tale-like trulli houses. Alberobello's trulli houses are unlike anything else in the world. These whitewashed stone huts, with their conical roofs, have been standing for centuries and are a testament to the unique architectural traditions of the region. Additionally, the design of the trulli houses is believed to have been influenced by tax evasion. During the 17th century, these dry stone huts were built without mortar, allowing them to be easily dismantled when tax inspectors were in the area. This ingenious method helped residents avoid paying taxes on permanent dwellings to the ruling Kingdom of Naples. Continuing our journey, we arrive at Ostuni, known as the White City for its dazzling whitewashed buildings that gleam under the Mediterranean sun. Ostuni's labyrinth of narrow streets, arches, and staircases invites you to get lost in its beauty. From the top, the views stretch out to the olive groves and the Adriatic Sea beyond. Our journey now takes us to Gallipoli, a pearl on the Ionian coast. Gallipoli, meaning beautiful city in Greek, lives up to its name with its picturesque old town set on a limestone island. Gallipoli's old town is a maze of alleys, where every corner reveals a new surprise from historic churches to stunning sea views. The island is a perfect blend of history, culture, and relaxation. Our adventure concludes with a scenic drive along the Adriatic coastline of Puglia, where the road hugs the cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the endless blue sea. As the sun sets on our journey, we leave with memories of Puglia's incredible landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, a place where every road leads to something extraordinary.